13th April 2025, an event that was gonna change my views and thoughts about myself forever. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal Joshi, and you are watching Rare Stories with Visual Jokes. तो आज है हम लद्दाख नहीं, अयोध्या प्रेप नहीं, रेस से 1 day आउट. सो राइट नाउ आई एम हियर एट दी मुंबई एयरपोर्ट T1. फ्लाइट के लिए रुका हूँ. बोर्डिंग टाइम इज 7:35, 6:45 है. सब सिक्योरिटी चेक इन हो गया है. आई एम डैम एक्साइटेड. आई कुडंट स्लीप दी एंटायर नाइट यस्टरडे. आई डोंट नो, नर्वसनेस था, एक्साइटमेंट थी, या दोनों था शायद. पर एनीवेज आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस ट्रिप. बहुत कुछ आज एक्सप्लोर करूँगा. सो बिब कलेक्शन फॉर द रेस is from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. today at Ram Katha Park. So obviously well within time. I'll see you directly in Ayodhya. पर ये इवेंट समझने के लिए हमें कुछ महीने पीछे जाना पड़ेगा. I made a mission on my last birthday that I will be running the Ladakh Marathon 2025. And believe it or not, that was the day I started taking running seriously. At least that's what I thought.
40 नंबर टी शर्ट दो भाई.
So guys, here I am at राम कथा पार्क. बहुत बड़ा ऐसा पार्क है यार, मतलब इट्स अ वेरी गुड स्पेस. तो अभी हमने बिब्स ले ली है अपनी. आई ओवर स्लेप्ट एक्चुअली बाय हाफ एन आवर. तो उठते ही मेरी फट गई थी कि भाई मैं पहुंचूंगा या नहीं पहुंचूंगा. मुझे यहाँ का कुछ स्पेशलिटी ट्राई करने का मन है, बट आई सीरियसली आई एम नॉट विलिंग टू रिस्क एनीथिंग क्योंकि कल रन है. द प्लान इज वेरी सिंपल. इट्स लाइक ट्रस्ट माई इंस्टिंक्ट एंड गो वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम. I am not rushing into this. I know I'm gonna struggle. It's not gonna be easy for me. वो मैं प्रोफेशनल रनर्स को देखते आ रहा हूँ. I have seen how easily these guys breathe through their 21 kilometer, 41 kilometer, 42 kilometer marathons. But I know it's not gonna be like that for me. So the best option for me is to realize that and just enjoy the run and focus on one step at a time. तो मुझे ये नहीं देखना चाहिए कि प्रोफेशनल रनर्स के लिए ये रन मेरे से ईजी होता है. मुझे ऐसे देखना चाहिए कि बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव अ टाइम गोल, आई कैन एन्जॉय द रन एंड इट्स गोना बी ईजियर फॉर मी देन द प्रोफेशनल्स. समझ रहे हो. एंड समटाइम्स वो एक बॉडी बिल्डिंग टर्म्स में एक टर्म है, रिटार्ड स्ट्रेंथ. वैसे आई एम जस्ट गोइंग इनटू दिस रन एज बिलीविंग माई रिटार्ड एंड्योरेंस. बस चलते रहो, दौड़ते रहो, देखते हैं कब तक फर्क पड़ता है. और मैंने पिछले एक व्लॉग में बोला था कि राइट नाउ आई ट्रस्ट माई हार्ट मोर देन आई ट्रस्ट माई एनी ऑफ द अदर मसल्स. तो वो ट्रस्ट मुझे वैसे या वैसे रखना है. आई डोंट हैव टू डाउट माई सेल्फ. आई डोंट हैव टू रीथिंक व्हाट आई एम गोना डू. आई जस्ट हैव टू कीप गोइंग एंड गोइंग एंड गोइंग. बट एज सून एज आई फिनिश्ड दिस अयोध्या हाफ मैराथन, I instantly realized how wrong I was. Good morning guys, race day. I am almost ready. यहाँ पे लाइट का डिस्को चल रहा है. अब बस शूज़ पहनेंगे और निकल लेंगे. This half marathon, these 21.1 kilometers weren't just kilometers for me. Each step, each meter, each mile was a lesson, and each lesson was a mental push for me.
I'm trying not to stop. My heart rate is still fine.
A push towards that finish line. After receiving a lot of advices,
न्यूट्रिशन तेरा सही होना चाहिए, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट बॉडी में रहना चाहिए.
when I also carry electrolytes वगैरह सब है.
I have water every 5 kilometers.
I listened to them and I started off the run very easily. And I probably must have said this in a lot of videos that I trusted my heart more than any other muscle. But that doesn't mean I was ready for what was about to happen to my legs.
Absolutely can't feel my right leg. It has gone completely numb.
By third kilometer, my right leg was starting to get numb.
I'm trying not to stop. My heart rate is still fine.
And by fifth kilometer, I started to believe that I was running with a prosthetic leg. Running for hours and distances wasn't an issue for me. I was an athlete since way before I could even pronounce the word pronounce. I have played football for the majority of my life. And that is why this run was hard for me. Because just like football, what exactly do you do when the second most trusted part of your body starts giving up just 10% into the run? However, as the race continued, everyone started to overtake me. Women, kids, senior uncles. One uncle was 63 years old. Literally everyone.
So guys, apparently I'm the last, but I'll finish this.
But I ignored it and kept focusing on my next step. Even if I were to give up on the full race, I had promised myself that I wouldn't stop till the halfway point. Little did I know, with all this pain, the halfway point was gonna feel farther than I imagined. But it wasn't just because of the shoes. You see, before the race started, I met this runner who was 56 years old and was coincidentally from my city. And he had completed the Ladakh half marathon. And till I personally run the Ladakh marathon, my mission is very simple. Learn as much as you can from every runner who's ever been to Ladakh. Apart from when they say I can't do it. Yeah, fuck that. He had told me a lot of stories while warming up. One where his coach vomited blood whilst they were on the Ladakh run. What a shame. And out of all the stories that he said, he also said that I would be left disappointed and I shouldn't run the Ladakh full marathon this year. You saw it coming, didn't you? Yeah, me too. Anyways, one of the biggest disappointments that he mentioned was the technology partners who were supposed to organize this race and were supposed to be the official partners of this race had backed out at the last moment, and hence the race was going to be organized locally.
This is my new made friend Ashok Pujari, right?
Yeah.
And he has just given me the bad news, which I hope is not real.
Hope so, yeah. Even
Yeah.
I wish to hear
So
that.
he's
actually.
saying that there's no RFID on the bib or anything.
So we
He
cannot-
says that this is not going to be tracked, and hence you won't be getting any e-certificate of the timing. But they had mentioned it on their website, like I said,
it was there, yeah.
So hopefully-
certificate, and
everything
medal,
was there.
everything was mentioned.
and
yeah.
his talks are making a lot of sense because he's saying there's no route map.
Yeah.
Hardly
I
20 to
don't
30
see-
people have registered for 21k. So
I think last year it was a big event, it seems.
Run
Thoroughly
for all.
professionalism, yeah. So I was expecting much more actually this time.
Yeah.
So I mean, usually the number of participants and all, so I was expecting more, yeah. But it is.
So he's a professional runner from the group called Striders. Striders अगर आपको याद हो तो when we ran 5k at Pune, Striders were the one who arranged it. So let's just hope
yeah, we'll get a, yeah.
what he's saying doesn't come true. अभी वैसा प्रार्थना करना पड़ेगा राम जी
Yeah,
के पास.
Ramji, yeah. Yes.
Please help me because as you all know I'm doing this for the Ladakh marathon and I just need the certificate, that's it. बाकी कुछ भी करो.
Yeah.
मतलब बाकी कैसे भी
That's a proof
management.
that we have run.
हाँ,
here,
exactly.
and,
और उसके बिना मेरे को लगा कुछ खड़ा नहीं करेगा.
no, if you have that link, you can show it anywhere. That okay, this is the event, this is a bib number, and he has set a time this
Exactly,
much. So
exactly.
That is what we want actually.
Exactly.
Hope they will give. Let's see.
And
Manual entry also will do for us.
Yeah. We'll do everything to track our timing and miles. So, but he's saying it's a very like the उनका नाम क्या था Run Fit page has
Fit,
backed.
fit. Yeah, most likely
Backed
fit,
out?
yeah,
He
they are
thinks
the
that
ones that they
they're
are
backed
supposed to
out.
give the timing solutions. for
Yes,
us,
they were the managers, but apparently they have backed out. But hopefully these guys
yeah. Will do something.
do the
for us.
least.
Yeah. Let's see. Hope for the
ज़्यादा तो
best.
एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते.
Yes.
बेसिक चीज़ तो कर सकते एक्सपेक्ट. So we are just warming up right now and see you at the race.
I think the baggage of this disappointment had weighed my legs down before the run. But I shook it off and stood at the starting point with one simple purpose in mind. Prove it to yourself and to those who believed in you. The water arrangements at the checkpoints were so bad that I had already started to question my decision to partake in this run. But that wasn't a very wise choice given the battles that I was fighting mentally. Each next step was put forth with the hope that I will get to see the halfway point soon. But each checkpoint was merely a mirage, a straight road with no turns along the way, enough to make you believe that the road never ends. So I had almost reached a point where I was starting to believe that I am running in a void. But I saw a turn, and then another, and then finally, from a very long way out, a banner with hope written on it, shining as the sun was slightly kissing it.
I see the halfway point.
That was when I realized that I had almost reached the halfway point. You know, as this was my first marathon ever, I went in with a set of expectations. Obviously, the expectations were lower as it was UP, but still, I had some bare minimum expectations which weren't met at all. The issues I later discovered was that the official organizers and the technology partners who were supposed to conduct this race and track your timings with an RFID tag inside your bib had backed out at the last moment because there were some budgeting issues. Now I understand that things might get a little tough while dealing with the governing bodies in India, but I do believe that this should have been communicated to us runners, a very handful of them obviously. Money, efforts, energy, time, everything was on the line for me. And even if I would have found this out later, all the worst assumptions had already taken over my mind as I was pushing through the 15th kilometer.
75 minutes में 10.5 K. I still have, I think 75 plus 30, 105 minutes. So I will walk a bit and I'll resume running. Electrolytes, refill. Let's get this, man. Let's fucking do this.
Okay, so the last 6 kilometers were absolute. So when I took up this challenge of running Ladakh without any training whatsoever, I thought it would give me a great story to tell. But I never would have thought in a million years that my first ever half marathon would be my most strict teacher ever. Ruthless, unforgiving, demanding, and overall the kind of experience that would make you question yourself. I was starving, my hamstrings were probably hanging on by the last tissue, my calves were screaming for help, and I was mentally fighting a battle where I was constantly reminded that it's not that easy. The ambulance was following me all the time, and the driver was another demon who was offering me a ride till the end of the line.
नहीं दौड़ेंगे ना.
But I respect myself enough to ignore him. Mind you, it wasn't at all as easy as I'm saying it right now. He was probably the most fearsome demon of them all, not giving in when comfort is literally 2 yards and one gesture away. So trust me when I say this, the last 6 kilometers were absolute hell.
One hour to do 4.7 kilometers. Let's do this, man. Let's do this. 2 घंटा 20 मिनट में भागा हूँ, 18.5 किलोमीटर हो गया. I don't feel anything. I don't feel anything. I don't feel my body. I did it, guys. Fucking hell. I'm about to do it, guys. A war against myself. A war against my own mind. I'm about to win it. I'm about to fucking win it, man. I did it.
So why did I do this? Why did I choose to go through all this pain without any training? And why am I planning to run the Ladakh Marathon without any sort of professional training? To prove a point. To prove a point to myself and to those who believed in me since day one. To prove them that they picked the right person. The journey has just started. And I know my 8-year-old and my 8-year-old versions are watching me. And I vow to do nothing but to make them proud. And if you are watching as well, you know whom to root for.
I did it.
Congratulations, yeah, very good.
Thank
really,
you.
really good, yeah.
You are my inspiration. My legs are completely gone. I can't feel my legs. No. I came here and I literally slept on the road. मैंने वो finish line देखा. I just took out my camera. I recorded, guys. I did it. और मैं ऐसे रास्ते पे